Here, our final task in FileMakerPro is to learn about scripts. We've mentioned this a couple of times. Some of the problems we haven't been able to solve, scripts will help us solve them. In the scripts menu, there is only one choice right now because I don't have any scripts. You'll see that change once we create scripts. Script maker, kind of a script helper wizard. First thing I have to do is give it a name. If you try to create one without creating a name, it says, hey, you gotta have a name. So I'm gonna do one of the things that's in the assignment. And think about what I need to do to create a script that will print my phone list. Now when you do create, you get this kind of standard set of instructions, and it turns out these are most of the instructions that we need. As you click on each of these, you'll see options down below. Browse mode is where we want to go first. Go to layout. Right now it's on basic form. Well, this is the print phone list, so I don't want to go to basic form. I want to go to phone list. Page setup. All of our options in these assignments, you are going to uncheck this. We want to make sure that all of these happen with a dialog box. And you'll see what happens when we test this one out. Show all records. In case anything has been from a previous find limited, we want to make sure we show all the records. Sort. Also, we want a dialog box to pop up. If a dialog box pops up, then our user can enter what they need to enter. And print. Perform without dialog. We're never going to check this. So when I click OK, that is there. And now anytime I look in the scripts menu, that will be an option. As you add more, obviously they are added to the list. Command 1 will be a shortcut that I can use. So let's see how this script works. So first instruction that it follows that we can see an effect of is page setup. So if this list needed to be in landscape, it doesn't, we would switch to that. So we're just verifying so anybody can sit in front of this database and make the orientation the way it should be for a particular layout. So that's right. Sort records. Now if we're supposed to sort by last name first, then we can switch that around. If we're not supposed to include salary at all, we can leave that out. I'll just leave all this in here and we'll click sort. So the person can adjust it for the proper sort and then click sort. Then the last thing that comes up is the print dialog box. So this I could just verify the right printer, and this way I could test it on preview if I wanted to. But we just don't want the thing to happen without a dialog box, because then this will just automatically print and papers will come out, and that's going to be a mess. So that gives me the option to cancel that. That's the last thing in the script, so I can say either one of these continue. And now there's my phone list sorted as I specified, and it would have printed if I wanted it to print.